I know, you know, we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. I'm doing my best to keep you right next to me. You asked if I left, then who'd keep you company? I used to be scared that you'd leave when it gets colder, but you're there when I need you. Now it's October, so don't leave me now for something better. Don't leave me now for something better. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Sparks are flying, so I keep trying to get inside your mind and make you understand. Our love will withstand, 'cause you're my best friend. I have this feeling, it will never end. I know, you know, we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever.
Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. He called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised him I'd stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river in my head. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my hopes. Another vagabond who lost herself to love. Oh, my lonely